you guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 5. I am so excited for today's video because I am giving you guys an updated house tour. It's literally like a winter wonderland right now and I'm so excited to show you guys. So let's jump right into it. This is my front door. This is what you see when you first walk into my house. I got a 16-foot Christmas tree this year and it is huge. Over to the left is my kitchen. It's so cozy. I just added these wreaths to my chairs and I'm so obsessed. Some floating shelves. Here is my dining room. Here's an up-close detail shot of my dining table. I got the dining table from West Elm. It is linked on my Like to Know It. And the chairs I got from Target, also on my Like to Know It. Same with my dining table counter stools. I got them from Target. Here's another angle of my house. Walking down this way, here is the downstairs bath. I got these picture frames from Amazon. Here is my pantry. I need to organize my pantry soon. It's getting a little chaotic. And here is my laundry room. Here is my office, but it's more like a storage unit right now. There is so much stuff everywhere and we keep this door shut. I got my floor mirror from Crate & Barrel. I love this mirror so much. Now I'm gonna take you guys upstairs. I just did this recently and I'm obsessed with it. All of this is on my Like to Know It, of course. Here is another angle of my living room. And then over here is the guest bedroom. Here she is in all her glory. Here is my closet. All my shoes. I personalized this closet with IKEA packs. I hang all of my sweats and they pull out, which is super nice. Here's my vanity where I get ready at. And I hang all of my dresses and my long coats right here. And all of my bags go up there. Here is the second guest bathroom. Here is my bedroom. I got my bed frame from CB2, and this rug is from Rugs USA. Both are linked on my Like to Know It. Walking down this way, here is my bathroom. This bathroom is the main reason why I bought this house. I fell in love with the white marble and just how everything looks so clean. And the floors are heated. Here is a closet where I store all of my skincare. I really need to go through all of this. I'm debating about changing all of these to the white IKEA packs organizers because right now I'm just putting all of my PR that I don't have room for right here. And it would just make things way easier if I had them in organized, cute drawers. Here is a little outdoor seating area. These floors are heated as well. I have a sauna. I just ordered a cold plunge, so I want to put that together, but I might do that downstairs. And then here's some garlands. I'm trying to figure out where to put them, but they are so messy, so I just put them out here for now. Here's another angle of my stairs. And that is it for my house tour. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you have the best day or night wherever you are watching this video. I love you guys so much. Bye!